Hi, I will tell you how to upload a audio for sending a voice call. Okay, when you log in to your account, you can see this screen. Okay, then you have to click on this broadcast option and then click on announcement. Okay, here you can see their announcement that you are already uploaded. Okay, you can delete the announcement from this delete icon, and to upload a new announcement, you have to click on this announcement, and then this screen will appear. uh, Title, you can choose any name in which you remember that I have uploaded the audio in this name. Okay, so you can upload in any name. I have given this name to the audio. Okay, route you can select transactional or promotional. Okay, if you select the transactional route, then the call will be sent from the 10-digit number. Okay, and if you select the promotional route, then the call will be sent from 140 series promotional numbers. Okay, so it's better to select transactional because call will be sent from the 10-digit number, so maximum people will receive a call. Okay, and in promotional, so 140 series number will be sent, then it's look like landline number, so most of the people will not respond to the call, so it's better to select transistor. Enter the transcript. Okay, means audio test. Okay, suppose the audio is in any language like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi. In any other language you can select the audio, but the audio test you have to put over here. Okay, I have put it the audio test. Okay, and the data source should be subscriber base. You have to write subscriber base database. Okay, now from this you can choose your audio. I have chosen the audio and click on submit to submit your audio for approval. Now you can see the audio submitted for the approval, but not for the final submission has been done. When you click on this submit button, then the final submission will be done, and the audio will be sent to our team for approval. They will approve within 30 minutes. Okay, and after approval, this like approve button will be come over here. Okay, and then you can use this audio for sending a voice call. Thank you very much.